okay, but before the operation I couldn't lift my arm any higher than this. I had lots of sleepless nights. After the operation, within a week I wasn't really needing the sling. Within 3 weeks I was out, away for the weekend. The pain was fairly bearable quite quickly on, much less painful than when I had my knee done. So I had it done in October. By February I was going to aqua classes, doing a lot of movements that I hadn't been able to do previously at aqua. So I'm absolutely delighted with the results of the operation. And now I rarely have any disturbed nights. I can brush my hair, I can do everything that I need to do, and swim, so really happy. But I can reach between my shoulder blades, which I couldn't do before, haven't been able to do for years and years. In fact, yeah, at least 10 years. So it's the movement is just so much better than I've ever remembered, to be honest.